Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat camera zoomed in problem on your Android phone. The first thing you'll need to do is go into Play Store. From Play Store, you're going to search for Snapchat, as you want to check if the app needs updating. And if it does need updating, be sure to tap on Update. After you have done that, you're going to go into Snapchat. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your Bitmoji in the top left-hand corner. Then you're going to select the settings cog in the top right-hand corner. And from here, you want to scroll down and select Lens. And right where you see Clear All Lens Data, you're going to tap on that. Then you'll tap on Clear. And you'll also tap on Clear Local Lens Data. And after you have done that, now you'll be able to use your Snapchat camera without any problem. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.